This is cochlear, an acupressure device for the soroheal acupressure point. The reason it's crafted this way is that it's ideally suited to deliver microstimulation to the soroheal acupressure point with just the right amount of pressure. This device has 5 benefits and effects. It helps to reduce fever and improve blood circulation. You just insert it into your nose like this. It then fits securely inside your nose. Then, just by simply wearing it like this, you will experience amazing improvements. The bothersome rhinitis symptoms, such as a runny nose, nasal congestion, and sneezing, will gradually get better, and you will be surprised by the results. This alone will make breathing much easier, providing a significant boost to your respiratory comfort, which has reduced snoring, or that their rhinitis symptoms have greatly improved.